Hi, welcome to the REMAX Hallmark March 2018 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. Listings are up over 100%, while sales dropped by almost 40% compared to 2017, but it's not as bad as it seems. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. Sales were down 40% for March compared to last year, with 7,228 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. This was the lowest number of sales for the month since March 2009. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a highest ever for March 37.2% share of the market, with 2,686 units being sold. The March average sale price for all GTA homes came in at $784,558. This was a big 14.3% decline from 1 year ago. Considering that March 2017 was an over-the-top crazy market, if instead you compare 2018 with 2016, with an average of $688,011, this year was still up 14% in that 2-year period. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how slow or how fast the market has been moving. The inventory average for the month of March compared to historical numbers was up 4.4%, but increased by a big 103% from last year at this time. However, this is occurring selectively, with the central core Toronto neighborhoods still doing very well, while the outer regions, Peel, York, and Durham, may not be seeing the same level of activity. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market. Below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In March, that ratio finished at 45.3% compared to an insane 152% last year. The GTA is now into a moderate seller market territory, so sellers may need to adjust their expectations if they want to make a move. The days on market average for Toronto homes was 20 days, 5 days faster than February. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for March was $652,357. That average moved up 11.6% from the same time last year. With 424 condo sales in the month, the numbers were down 32% compared to 2017. There were 432 active listings on the market in March, just 6% more than last year, but still way down from the 1,164 2 years ago in February 2016. The ratio of sales to listings was 98%, which keeps CO1 in an extremely busy seller's market territory. The average days on market came in at 17, 3 days faster than last month. Now east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for March was just over $667,000. That number was up 14% compared to 2017. And with 178 condo sales in the month, the numbers were down 25% from last year. There were 143 active listings on the market in March, down 10% from 2017. The ratio of sales to listings was a very active 124.5% for the month. That number keeps CO8 solidly in an extreme seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 16, 1 day slower than last month. Here's a summary of the significant real estate milestones for Toronto in March 2018, with significant changes due to the new mortgage stress test requirements, the modest increase in mortgage rates, and lower sales of higher-priced luxury homes across the GTA. We saw the lowest February sales since 2009 at 7,228, and the ratio of sales to listings moved up to 45.3% in March, now into a moderate seller market territory. The average sale price came in at $784,558, which was a negative 14.3% compared to March 2017, partially because of more lower-priced condo and fewer luxury home sales. Also, detached home sales, which generally represent the highest priced homes in most neighborhoods, declined much more than other home types. In addition, the share of high-end detached homes selling for over $2 million in March 2018 was half of what was reported in March 2017, further impacting the overall GTA average selling price. Sales in the month were down 40% from 1 year ago, and the GTA real estate market overall averaged the days on market at 20, a more normal level for this time of year. Again, it's becoming clear that first-time buyer aspirations are now shifting to a condominium lifestyle. Condo sales took a highest ever for March, 37.2% of the total market. Downtown condo listing numbers were up in CO1, 6%, and down in CO8, minus 10%, from last year at this time. And the downtown condo days on market average was 16 to 17 days, slightly faster than the overall market. Also, the ratio of sales to listings for condos downtown ranged between 98% in CO1 to 124.5% in CO8, indicating an extremely strong seller's market, well ahead of most of the GTA. And the average sale price for downtown condominium suites is up by roughly $60,000 to $80,000 from March 2017. Building on this higher demand due to better affordability, condo appreciation in the two main downtown markets averaged 13% year over year. Markets in York Region and other 905 neighborhoods have suffered the most from the market slowdown. York Region is now showing that they're in buyer market territory. As inventory increases through the spring, buyers should watch for more opportunities to get the condo or house of their dreams. This month, we're looking at the stats for the sale of detached houses in February compared to prior years. You can see from the table that the average sale price for detached houses in Toronto declined by 18.5% compared to 2017. Although this average price is still about $70,000 higher than in the same month in 2016, it appears that the price gains incurred last year have almost all been lost. On the positive side, between 2012 and 2018, the average year-over-year appreciation has been a not too shabby 8.9%, and between those same 2 years, the average price has increased by a total of 56.6%. So what's the best way to make your first baby step into the Toronto or GTA real estate market? Make a call or send an email to your favorite REMAX Hallmark professional and set up a conversation over a coffee to discuss what your buying or selling options going forward might be. Remember to check back here in early May for our April 2018 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.